Gentlemen, we are here welcoming and congratulating the legends of Trade Compliance Department for the fantastic commendable job and for the amazing commitment they have been with Cargo Men. And next up, welcoming Giridhar Reddy.
Thank you. Yeah. Um, what can I say about Hari and Kamal, who built this team of Cargo Man? And very heartfelt congratulations, Hari and Kamal, for Cargo Man. This story, 25 years of story, is great to watch. And my journey with Hari, again, he's my namesake, or I can say I am his namesake. We both are Hari, and it all started with the custom clearance, where he was senior to me in some, can I name it? Yeah, Mayuri Associates. Yeah, yeah. And after him, I joined Mayuri Associates, and seeing Hari grow and congratulating people around with this 25 years of service to n number of clients is great honor. I'm privileged to be here. And this journey with Hari is truly inspirational to me, and we inspire from you a lot, Hari. And I wish all the best for Cargomen and the entire team of Cargomen. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, welcoming our legend for Trade Compliance Department and Advisory, Mr. Giridhar Reddy. Big congratulations. Next up, in the same category, Kiran Kumar Narsingh. Congratulations, Kiran Kumar Narsingh. And after Kiran Kumar Narsingh, welcoming Jagan Jarupala. Congratulating Jagan Jarupala. We'd like to request Mr. Chandan from Micron to please kindly join us back to the stage to do the honoring. Welcoming one more time Mr. Chandan from Micron. So welcoming and congratulating Mr. Jagan for being the legend of Trade Compliance Department and Advisory. बिल्कुल दोस्तों थोड़ी सी तालियां हो जाए जोरदार. And after Mr. Jagan, welcoming Bala Bhargava Bukka. Congratulations, Bala Bhargava Bukka, for being the legend of Trade Compliance Department. Congratulations to Bala Bhargava Bukka. A big congratulations for being the legend of Trade Compliance Department Advisory. In the same category, the next name goes to Satyanarayana D. Congratulations, Satyanarayana D.
Good evening, everyone. Maybe I feel that I am very special on this stage. I was balanced my work with both the brothers. My employer is my director, and my client is his elder brother, Malik sir. So maybe Tulsi madam is here, and Malik sir is not with us. So those are the memorable days, and I wish to, everyone have to be there in Cargoman family. We'll take it on further steps. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jagan. Thank you so much.
Congratulating Bala Bhargava Bukka, a legend. Next up, welcoming Satyanarayana D. In the same category, Legends of Trade Compliance Department, Advisory, Raj Kumar K. Congratulations, Raj Kumar K. Big congratulations to Raj Kumar K. Raj Kumar K. Kinnar. Kinnara. Congratulations to Raj Kumar Kinnara. In the same category, the legend Brahma Kohinoor. Congratulations, Brahma Kohinoor. So come on दोस्तों, जोरदार तालियां बजाते रहो. सारे legends सारे back to back. And after Brahma Kohinoor, welcoming Suresh Natham. Mr. Suresh Natham, congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming and congratulating our next legend, Mr. Suresh Natham. And after Mr. Suresh Natham, welcoming Korla Prasad Rao. Congratulations to Korla Prasad Rao.
Come on, guys, let the applaud continue.
Congratulating Korla Prasad Rao. Next up, Sheikh Ahmed. Congratulations to Sheikh Ahmed. दोस्तों तालियां बजाते रहो शेख अहमद के लिए. Srinivas Pulli. Congratulations to Srinivas Pulli. So we have on stage Suresh Natham. Congratulations. Next up, we have our legend Sheikh Ahmed. दोस्तों तालियां बजा दीजिए शेख जी के लिए. Next up, Srinivas Pulli. हाँ, इनके लिए शोर मचता है, बनता है, बजाते रहो फॉर मिस्टर शेख. Next up, we have Mr. Srinivas Pulli. Congratulations to you, sir. So, वैसे हमारी ये ऑडियंस थक गए हो क्या आप सब लोग? Are you all tired? नहीं ना? तो जोरदार तालियां बजाते रहो. In the same category, the legend, last but not the least, welcoming Nagraj Manchala. Congratulations, Nagraj Manchala.
क्या बात है यार, इतनी तालियां, इतनी सीटियां.
नागराज जी, आपके लिए सबसे ज्यादा शोर मच रहा है यहाँ पर. So well, after the legends, moving on to our next segment, pioneers of Trade Compliance Department and Advisory. The first name in this category goes to Shravan Areli. Congratulations, Shravan Areli. Come on, let's give it up for Mr. Shravan. Mr. Shravan Areli. Next up, Gopi Udapali. Come on, sir, run, bhago. Congratulating Mr. Gopi Udapali. Mr. Gopi Udapalli, are you here? Congratulations to Pioneer. Next up, after Gopi, Munir Ahmed Mohammad. Munir Ahmed Mohammad. दोस्तों, come on, शोर मचा दीजिए. On stage, we have Mr. Gopi, and next up in the Pioneer, we welcome Mr. Munir Ahmed Mohammad. Congratulations to you, sir. In the same category, our Pioneer, Revant Shriram. Congratulations to Revant Shriram. Are you here, sir? Revant Shriram, congratulations. Our Pioneer, Revant Shriram. Next up, Manohar Gurli. Manohar Gurli. Manohar Gurli, congratulations. So are you here, Manohar, Mr. Manohar? Congratulations. After Mr. Manohar Gurli, congratulating Praveen Chakre. Congratulations to Mr. Praveen for being the pioneer. After Mr. Praveen Chakre, congratulating Sunil Singh Thakur. Congratulating Sunil Singh Thakur. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. Congratulating Sunil Singh Thakur. Next up, after Sunil Singh Thakur, Gajanand Mane. Gajanand Mane. Ladies and gentlemen, next up, welcoming our pioneer Gajanand Mane for Trade Compliance Department and Advisory.
Many, many congratulations.
So welcoming Sunil Singh Thakur and next Gajanand Mane. In the same category for pioneer it goes to last but not the least Venkata Ramana Sunkara. Congratulations to Venkata Ramana Sunkara for being the pioneer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the name in the pioneer for Trade Compliance Department Advisory. On stage we have Venkata Ramana. So, well, to move on to our next category, we would like to welcome Mr. Shiv Prasad from Honeywell to please join us on stage. And thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Big, big thank you. And next up, we will request Mr. Shiv Prasad from Honeywell to please join us.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Well, everybody, key account management team, our next department. The ones who don't just manage accounts, but build partnerships that grow stronger year after year. Let's give it up for key account management team. At Cargomen, we don't believe in one size fits all solution. Every client is unique, and it's the CAM team that ensures each one feels understood, prioritized, and fully supported. They are the voice of the customer within our organization, translating expectations into action, aligning services with business goals, and going beyond the scope of logistics to offer the real value. From high-level strategies to day-to-day coordination, they are relationship builders, problem solvers, and trust earners. With this, moving on to the legends of key account management team, let's invite on stage Mr. Raju Sita. Many, many congratulations. Mr. Raju Sita, give it up, everybody. Today, we celebrate the CAM team members who have nurtured long-term client success and helped Cargoman more than just a service provider. And the next name in legend is Mr. Praveen Keep the energy same, guys. We have many more awards now. Run and come, sir. Bhago, bhago. That's Mr. Praveen on the stage. Next legend is Ramarao Sri Rangam Venkata.